In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily sync Trello and Asana with automated two-way updates. By linking these platforms with a smooth integration, you can streamline your workflow, ensuring that every change is mirrored on both systems. So let's dive in and get this set up step by step, making sure your productivity tools are truly in sync. To begin, we're going to make use of Zapier, a powerful integration tool that helps connect different applications with ease. Head over to Zapier's website and you'll see an option called Make a Zap. This is where the magic begins. By creating zaps, we can automate tasks across Trello and Asana conveniently. For our first zap, we'll focus on setting up an integration from Trello to Asana. When creating a zap, the first part is setting your trigger. Select Trello and you'll be prompted to choose a trigger event. This could be something like new card or card moved. Essentially, this tells Zapier to keep an eye on Trello for any new activity or changes you specify, triggering an action in Asana whenever a condition is met. Once you've set the trigger, it's time to decide on an action in Asana. Here, select an action like create task or update task. What this means is whenever there's activity on Trello, such as a new card being added, Zapier will automatically create or update a task in Asana, keeping your projects aligned and up to date. To ensure everything fits together seamlessly, you'll need to connect both your Trello and Asana accounts to Zapier. After authorization, map the necessary fields between these platforms. For example, you might map a Trello card title to an Asana task name. This mapping ensures the correct information is transferred between Trello and Asana every time the zap triggers. Now let's configure the second zap, which links Asana back to Trello. Choose Asana for your trigger and pick a trigger event such as new task or task updated. Following this, define your action in Trello, which could be create card or update card, ensuring updates made in Asana are instantly reflected in Trello. Again, it's vital to connect your accounts and map fields. For instance, Asana task name to Trello card title, maintaining data consistency. With both zaps set up, it's crucial to test them. Run these tests to check if they perform as expected. Make sure that every action and update appears in the corresponding platform, assuring no detail is missed in the syncing process. Once you're confident that everything is functioning correctly, turn on both zaps. This activation will enable the two-way sync, allowing Trello and Asana to communicate seamlessly and automatically. And there you have it, you've successfully set up an automated two-way sync between Trello and Asana. By using these integration tools, you're not just creating connections, you're paving the way for a smoother workflow, enhanced productivity and peace of mind, knowing that your project updates move effortlessly between your favorite platforms.